I done been at the MARTA station for about 45 minutes and ain't no bus came yet. And they got one of their scouts downstairs, a black male, about 25 to 34, red hoodie, blue pants, a big blue duffel bag, and they won't let the north side bus thing. So now I'm trying to call to see where the train's at. And the phones don't work. Or maybe they're not working for me. And it's not a good look for MARTA for the phones not to be working. No help. And the fire extinguisher thing is broke. And they got all these people out here sleep at the train station and no phones work to call for security or help if you need to get some help. And I'm trying to figure out where are the trains, because trains supposed to run every 15 to 20 minutes, and I done been here waiting and they haven't came yet. I'm gonna pick up this one and see. Nope. So what's the purpose of having phones for help and they don't work? So I'm getting on the elevator, I'm going to the wrong side, and it smells like straight pee in there. Well, they got another train going, so let me see about catching that one. Because they don't have one going to the north side. It flew by, it came, and it flew by and kept going. I've never seen anything like that before, because why would you be flying by and not stopping? What's the point? Unless they had normal passengers on there and didn't want to pick up any scouts. That probably was the case. It wasn't a staged pickup, but oh well. This elevator smell like straight pee. I'm talking about concentrated. Oh, old folk home. Oh my God. What? Ah! Oh, get me out. Ah! Oh my God. Oh, it's the worst smell of my life. Oh my Jesus. I'm so grateful to smell fresh air. I can't believe they let an elevator smell like that. Oh my God.